I know you are passionate about humidifier. Do you? In this video, I will share with you some awesome best humidifiers for bedroom, with the best reviews on Amazon. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 5. Levoit LV600HH Warm and Cool Mist Humidifier. The Levoit LV600HH is an all-around utility in the market and provides the best value for money. It combines not only various contemporary humidifier technologies but also has an appealing and function-friendly design. As a hybrid ultrasonic humidifier, it is capable of releasing both cool and warm mist air in your bedroom. It is suitable for both small to medium rooms, and its 1.5 gallons tank size allows it to last for more than 24 hours before requiring a refill. The Levoit LV600HH Warm and Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier features a humidistat which comes with 3 mist settings that allow you to pick the right range of humidity level for your room. There is a timer for 1 to 12 hours which further adds to the conciseness and efficiency of this humidifier. Convenience is further enhanced by the provided remote control and an LCD which allow you to get correct readings and to access the humidifier from any point in the room. Pros. It can be used in both cold and warm climates and caters for all preferences. Provides accuracy and efficiency with its automatic functions like a timer and automatic switch-off function. A large tank size reduces the frequent need for refilling. It is silent. It easy to use and maintain with the large opening. Comes with a diffuser. Cons. It cannot effectively work in larger rooms. Has very little mechanisms for fighting germs. A bit expensive on the upfront costs. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Honeywell HCM 350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. Measuring about 18 inches long, the Honeywell HCM 350 is one of the large units for room modification which makes it suitable for rooms as large as 500 square feet. It is a cool mist humidifier working through evaporation mechanism. The air is pushed through a wick which sits on the water, allowing for faster and efficient evaporation. While the size may appear bulky, the ease with which you can fill it up with water makes up for it. Further, there is a translucent strip along the side which allows you to see the level of the water since this humidifier lacks an automatic shut-off feature. One of the significant features is its anti-germ abilities. First, it uses ultraviolet light to kill any microbes lurking in the water. The Honeywell HCM 350 Germ-Free Cool Mist Humidifier also comes with an easy-to-remove and replace filter which goes through an antimicrobial treatment to prevent the growth of molds and bacteria. This humidifier uses about 2 gallons of water a day and does not produce hot steam or hot water. This make it a good choice if you have children in the house as there will be no consequences even when it's accidentally tipped over. Pros. Affordable in terms of upfront costs. Comes with antimicrobial technology. Easy to operate and clean. It is relatively quiet especially on low and medium speeds. Has crash, break resistant attributes. Cons. Lacks a humidistat and an auto shut-off. Will require regular replacement of the filters. May have higher operating costs in the long run. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Honeywell HUL520B MistMate Cool Mist Humidifier. If you are looking for a budget-friendly and highly portable humidifier, this is one to consider. It is efficient in the smaller rooms and even for travel purposes. It weighs just 3 pounds and has a tank size of 0.5 gallons. Its performance plateaus at around 47% of relative humidity. Despite its small size, Honeywell HUL520B Mistmate Cool Mist Humidifier has a large opening which makes it easy to fill and clean. There is a single knob for control to regulate the amount of mist you want to be released into the air. However, it lacks the other auto features save for an automatic switch-off which ensures the unit shuts off when the water in the tank is used up. The small tank means you may require to refill it before 24 hours, but when used in a small room this will not be done more than 2 times. It is a sonic humidifier, meaning it works by using the vibrations. Pros: it is the most user-friendly unit in the market, from the control to the ease of refilling and cleaning, which is further helped by the small size. It is inexpensive and also has the least operational costs. Comes with an auto shut-off feature. Great design. Hardy materials. Portable enough to be used when traveling. Cons: limited to small rooms. Lacks advanced features. Requires several refilling. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Victsing Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. One of the things you will love about the Victsing Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is the easier to control dial knob, which controls the output. The rotating angled nozzle will direct mist towards your desired areas. The auto shut-off feature will turn off the humidifier immediately the water runs out. The grooved grip makes your trips to the sink for refills comfortable and convenient. The manufacturer designs the humidifier for small bedrooms, 110 to 270 square feet. The small tank 0.53 gallon will hold enough water for the humidifier to run for 10 hours. Furthermore, the device runs at 28 decibels, a noise level lower than that experienced when turning pages of a book. That means the product will not disturb you when sleeping, working or studying. You should not expect any nasty noise. Pros: the product runs quietly. Its auto shut-off feature kicks in when the water runs out. It is very easy to clean. Cons: the humidifier might leak sometimes. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 1. Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is made to operate quietly. It will shut off immediately the water reduces to a very low point. Its compact design and the one-button operation feature make it intuitive. When in the darkness, you will monitor the water level and operate the device properly. That is because it comes with a proper backlit button. Remember that the cleaning part might be a challenge because the tank opening is small. Use the cleaning brush to complete the work easily. The 1.5-liter water tank provides good coverage of bedrooms, offices, and any other medium-sized rooms. The optional night light will provide a soothing glow so that you can relax the whole night. Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier comes with 5 years warranty and you will enjoy 24/7 customer support. Pros: operates quietly. Comes with an auto shut-off feature. Monitor the water level and operate it in the darkness. Cons: the cleaning part is a challenge. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.